space, separation, position and price. A wonderful family home and a fabulous lifestyle, and over half an acre of real estate gold. Guys, welcome to 85 Panorama Drive in Thornlands. Hidden away from the road and nestled on a massive 2,012 metre square block with bus stops, shops and cafes on your doorstep. Bayview School, Thornlands State School and Carmel College only a few footsteps away, and Sheldon College within a 5-minute drive. There's parkland for kids next door and the beautiful Crystal Waters Park, walking track and lakes within walking distance. This is a fabulous home in a popular, sought-after position. The property comprises of 4 good-sized bedrooms and a large master with ensuite and door out to the patio and garden. There's a work-from-home office with separate entry and fabulous renovated laundry and family bathroom with 4-person spa and jacuzzi. Spacious living areas enjoy good separation and are light and bright with doors leading out to the entertaining zones. The elevated patio and alfresco lounge overlook the private gardens with heaps of space for the kids to run around and have fun. There's side access, so bring your boat and caravan, and even room for a pool and shed too. Thanks for watching. My name's Peter Houliston at Freedom Property. I can't wait to see you through the next open home.